What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. And those who are new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button because your boy has been killing these markets, and I've been showing a lot of other people how to kill the markets as well. Okay, pretty much I want to show you guys. This is a Trusted Signals Discord chat. All right. I have my own Discord chat as well, link in the description for that. All right. And the chat is super motivational, super positive. All right. We have some people in here who are really changing, the way they're trading. All right. As you can see here, Alicia, Trusted Signals has made the game easier. Went from having to be on charts all day to checking, when I get an alert, already deep in profit, beginning of the day. Trusted Signals has made me more profitable for the first time in my trading career. All right, so like Black Will here says, useful tool. You know what I mean? I mean, this thing right here has been working for a lot of other traders. All right, and I would say definitely go ahead and click the link in the description. Try it out. All right. Right now there is a lifetime deal going on. So I would say definitely go ahead and test that out. All right. Now, this video is really mainly for the beginners and those who are actually going to go ahead and download the indicator. All right. I'm going to show you guys how to actually set it up on the chart. All right. And it's very, very simple. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and remove these indicators from my chart. Okay, and those of you who are already in Trusted Signals, all right, don't worry, I got you guys covered. All right, I'm gonna be dropping a ton of videos. All right, and Trusted Signals directly with them, we're gonna go ahead and release their video guides and how-to videos on their channel as well. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. So don't worry, guys, we have you guys covered. All right, so let's go ahead and erase it. So as you guys can see here, right now I do not have any indicators on this, okay? Now, let's say you were to go to trustedsignals.com, all right, and make the purchase, okay, which is, it's very simple. That's self-explanatory. You don't need to, see me do that, all right? But let's say you go ahead and now you have access, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, all right? And this is where you're going to find actually all the indicators, okay, guys? So you're going to be able to come here, and they actually have a public library, all right, as well as invite-only scripts, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and click invite-only scripts, okay? Now, when you click invite-only scripts, what you're going to go ahead and see is you're going to see the signal indicators that you have your invite for. Okay, so what you'll see is you'll have access to all four of these indicators here, which is the currency strength indicator, the doji scalper, the divergence oscillator, and the regular buy and sell alert indicator. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to just want to go ahead and tap them one time each. Okay, guys, one time each. That's all you guys want to do. If not, you're going to have a lot of indicators on your screen. Okay, another thing is that let's say you wanted to go ahead and just start with the free TradingView program. You can only use one indicator. Okay, so if you want to use all four of the indicators, you're gonna have to upgrade to Pro. All right, and they always have sales going on for that. So just check TradingView.com for that. Okay, and you can also click the link in the description to go ahead and get your TradingView account as well. All right, so what you're going to want to do is once that's added, all you have to do is actually exit. Now you're going to see all of the indicators on the actual screen, okay? Now, depending on what you're actually trading and what you're actually going to use, okay, you can actually go ahead and remove or hide these specific indicators, okay, guys? So for me, usually I'm trading US 30, all right? So I don't necessarily always have this indicator open. Okay, guys, now this currency strength indicator, this is a very dope indicator as well, especially for pairs, because it's going to tell you it's going to give the ability to know, okay, Australian dollar is super strong right now, and these are actually not as strong. So therefore, most likely, this is going to be pushing to the buy side. Okay, so that goes for this specific indicator here. Okay, and then the divergence oscillator, which is an amazing indicator. Okay, guys, and there's a lot of ways that you can use this. All right, this is one of my scalping strategies. Okay, and I actually use the RSI. Oh, all right. And what you're gonna do is, this is a 9-in-1 oscillator. Okay. So as you guys can see here, this is a trusted signals oscillator. All right, the RSI and a lot more. Me personally, I use the RSI, and if you guys want to know my RSI settings, all right, I use it at a 20, which basically creates a bigger, wider channel. All right. And basically what I try to do is I try to get into the trades when we're breaking through these purple channels. All right. And for the most part, you can only use this. You don't even need to actually use the signal indicator to go ahead and get into trades. Okay. Another thing, all right, I actually close this off, all right, is the doji scalper, right? So the doji scalper is actually going to go ahead and give you indication on when you should get in and out the market. All right. And basically, if a doji is going to hit on the red, this is an RSI as well. This is an RSI line. And let's say there's a doji that hits on this red line, you can definitely take those sell, okay? And if the doji hits on a buy on the green area, you can definitely enter a trade in those specific areas for a quick scalp, okay, guys? For a quick scalp. So the doji scalper is very, very cool. And we actually are going to be adding a few other things as far as the doji scalper. All right, we're going to actually add in a tweezers indicator and a few other things, okay? Because basically, if you come here, okay, we have an actual suggestions area, all right? And we just made an update today, all right? So as you guys can see here, these are the updates that were made today. We added the buy and sell alert, and also added the current alert based upon the current trend on the candle color, all right, which is very cool. And then we also give you the ability to actually use Japanese candles instead of the ashi candle, okay? So these are some things where we're going to go ahead and implement, and we're just checking out this feedback from everybody, and we're trying to go ahead and utilize your minds and make a better product in general, all right? As you guys know, I am the marketing director for this, so we're going to be releasing the affiliate program very soon as well. And basically, you guys definitely want to tap in and lock in your Lively membership, all right? So boom, let's hide this. And then this is the buy and sell alerts, all right? So what you would want to go ahead and do. My bad, I just had a brain cramp, bro. Holy smokes, just had a mini stroke, I think. No, I'm just kidding. So what you're gonna want to do is play with the settings. Like I always say, you can add the ADX, turn the ADX on, which is gonna try to only give you the big momentums. All right, as you guys can see here, the sell just vanished off of there, because it's only going to try to give you the bigger, larger moves. All right. Remember, this comes with the support and resistance live within the specific indicator itself. All right. And it's going to tell you, your rejection areas and, your key locations. All right. Trend lines is something that, I don't necessarily use, but a lot of, profitable traders swear by their trend line, so that's something that you can add. And then the auto fib. The auto fib is just an extra added confirmation, and it's going to tell you, when you should get in and when you should get out. All right, and you can actually use these as your take profits. Okay, so for example, on this Fibonacci line, you're selling it down. At this specific area, you're gonna have a resistance. Guess what? You would have most likely wicked this buy, boom, and get in for a huge buy just by using this specific, extra added tool to your arsenal. Okay, guys. So that's exactly how you add it. All right, nothing crazy. All right, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to just test out this indicator, right? It's very, very dope. It's going to give you a lot of extra added confirmation, all right? So if you stay tuned to my next video, all right, I promise I'm going to be releasing a scalping video on how I use this indicator to scalp, all right? And hopefully by then I have my new setup going, all right? And that's all for this video, guys. I promise I'm going to go ahead and provide a lot more value for you guys. And I promise to go ahead and just keep this content pumping for you guys. I know that it's been a week. All right. I've been focusing on the real estate end of things, but yeah, just check out my other videos on this indicator, and I'm going to go over more different strategies as well as open the affiliate program which then you'll see a lot more videos pop up on this, I'm sure. All right, a lot of other traders who are going to be, using this and adding this to their arsenal. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and join the Discord. Go ahead and get trusted signals. And until the next video, guys, stay safe out there. Peace.